Hey guys, many of you asked me to record an update for WTI crude oil. As you remember, we spotted together a breakout of a major rising channel. Indeed, yes, here was our channel, and you can see how perfectly the market was respecting the boundaries of the channel in the past. And you can see that last week the support of the channel was broken. And we made the conclusion that with a very high probability, the retest of the broken support of the channel will give us a very nice shorting opportunity. We were very purified. But you can see that definitely from a current perspective, this breakout looks false. But what are our expectations right now? Even though right here we got a false violation of the support of the channel, I still remain purified. And ahead, I see this very strong horizontal structure resistance. You can see that in the past two times in a row, it was respected and the market nicely bounced from that support. And after the breakout, it turned into resistance. And I assume, traders, I assume that oil can start falling from that structure, from that resistance. Yes, even though the breakout of this channel here is false, it is still a very strong bearish clue. It just tells us that the bullish trend that we had right here is not that strong as we thought. And I guess we may see one more attempt of bears to set a new low. And now I really want you to look for a confirmation. I really want you to monitor the reaction of the price to that zone on intraday time frames, on the 4 hour and 1 hour time frames. For now, unfortunately, we have no confirmation. And as you remember, earlier this week we spotted together that trend line. Yes, we have a very peculiar rising trend line right here. So I still would suggest waiting for the bearish breakout of the trend line. I assume that bearish violation of the trend line may trigger a bearish continuation. So be extremely patient traders. Yes, and wait for a confirmation before you sell. It is a very important condition. Let me know what are your expectations from WTI crude oil. Are you bullish or bearish? Also, remember that if you are bullish, you should let the price break that horizontal resistance to the upside first. Only then I would suggest buying. Please traders like this video and subscribe to my trading view page.